And I play Street Fighter only by audio effect, so there is no visuals for me since I'm completely blind. I cannot see the screen, so the only thing I have is the audio cues that the game is providing to me. And by those audio cues I'm able to know if I'm on the left, if I'm on the right, what my opponent is doing, how I need to attack my opponent, how I need to defend myself. And I'm very good in the game. I'm currently ranked in the Super Diamond League, which is one of the highest ranks in the game.